Are you looking for an inexpensive antenna for your HT to expand its range or to use maybe as a base station? If so, I've got just the thing for you right after this. Welcome back to the channel. Now if this is your first time here, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. What I've got here today is the DBJ-2 Dual Band J-Pole antenna made by Dr. Ed Fong. This is a very inexpensive antenna. It's only $29, and with that you get an extension at about 6 feet. The DBJ-2 comes with several different connectors, a BNC, SMA, and SMA female. That way you can attach any HT that you might own. For $5 extra, I picked up a 6-foot extension cable made with RG58AU. The antenna is made with 300 ohm twin lead, approximately 52 inches long, and RG174 coax is used for the feed line, and it's about 36 inches long. The antenna terminates with a BNC connector. He also includes this orange zip tie to help you in hanging the antenna. The specifications for the VHF and UHF is it's a half-wave radiating element. Maximum power is 50 watts and an impedance of 50 ohms. The Vhf operates at 144 to 148 megahertz. The SWR is less than 1.7 to 1 over 4 megahertz bandwidth and has a gain of 2.1 dBi, which they say is 8 to 10 dBs over a rubber duck antenna. For the UHF, it operates at 440 to 450 megahertz. The SWR is 1.7 to 1 over 10 megahertz bandwidth, and it has a gain of 2.1 dBi, saying that 6 dB gain over a 2-meter J-pole used at 450 megahertz. All this information can be found on Ed Fong's website, as well as the paper the antenna comes with when you purchase it. I tied off the antenna to the covering here at the park. Anyone available for a signal report trying out a new antenna on an FT-1 WJ6F?
WD6F, repeat your question. I'll listen more carefully. KR6AL.
I was trying to get a signal request, or get a signal report. I'm trying out a new antenna on an FT-1. Call sign here is Whiskey Juliet 6 Foxtrot.
Okay, WJ6F. You're not absolutely full quieting. Maybe 5%, just ever so slight amount of path noise with you. The audio sounds good. And if you hadn't specifically asked, I probably wouldn't have noticed ever so slight bit of path noise.
Alrighty, I greatly appreciate the comeback.
No problem. Whereabouts are you located?
I'm in North Irvine right now.
Okay, that's not it's got decent coverage, but not necessarily easy. There are some parts of Irvine that get kind of tough, especially down south by John Wayne Airport.
Yeah, where I'm at is kind of a in a hole.
Okay, and the noise came up a little bit there. I don't know if you moved around or changed something, but anyway, you're most of the way in there and sounding good.
I greatly appreciate it. WJ6F.
73, KR6AL.
Anyone available for a signal report trying out a new antenna, WJ6F, North Irvine?
KG6WBN in Costa Mesa. I can hear you loud and clear.
I greatly appreciate it. I'm trying out a Ed Fong DBJ-2 antenna on a FT-1.
I'm not your technician type person, but I do monitor in case of emergencies, which we occasionally have had. KG6WBN coming back to you to say you're loud and clear and you don't have a lot of hiss or anything in the background. So have a lovely day. KG6WBN out.
You too. Appreciate the comeback, WJ6F. One of the other things I tried is I hooked this antenna up to my Kenwood TMV71A. Worked great. Had no problems getting out. Although when this thing says 50 watts is the max, it's not kidding. As soon as I tried to key up at 50 watts, shut the radio right off. Check out some of these other videos I have. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the space below. I'll be doing a comparison video in the future on the N9TAX, so stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching.